Hey everyone, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Platformly. In this video, we'll dive deep into Platformly, a powerful marketing automation tool. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your marketing strategies, this tutorial will guide you through the essential features and functionalities of Platformly. You can easily download the free trial version of Platformly using the link in the description. So, let's get started. First, let's take a brief look at what Platformly is. Platformly is an all-in-one marketing automation platform designed to help businesses streamline their marketing efforts. It offers a wide range of tools, including dashboards, link tracking, lead capture, email marketing, and integration with payment gateways like Stripe. It's suitable for e-commerce, SaaS, and other online businesses looking to automate and optimize their marketing workflows. We'll start by setting up a new account and going through the onboarding process. Head over to the Platformly website by clicking the link in the description and click on Try for Free. You'll see the option for a 15-day trial. Choose the starter plan for now. Enter your name, email, and location details. After that, you'll need to provide your credit card information. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll be asked to set up your company name and domain. Choose these carefully as they can be difficult to change later. Next, provide additional details like your business address and phone number. This information is crucial for compliance with spam laws when sending emails. Now, let's dive into the Platformly dashboard. When you first log in, you'll see a series of onboarding videos. These are helpful, but we'll skip through them for now. The dashboard gives you an overview of your projects, including metrics and analytics. You can customize the dashboard with widgets to display the information most relevant to your business, such as social media stats, sales data, and email performance. Let's move on to managing contacts. Click on the Contacts tab to view and manage your contact list. Here, you can add new contacts manually or import them from a CSV file. Platformly supports custom fields, allowing you to tailor your contact records to fit your business needs. Custom fields are essential for segmentation and personalized marketing. Each contact record provides a comprehensive view of your interactions with that contact, including emails sent, activities, and notes. You can also segment your contacts based on various criteria, such as tags and custom fields. Segments and tags are powerful tools for creating targeted marketing campaigns. Next, let's explore the email marketing capabilities of Platformly. Click on the Emails tab to create and manage your email campaigns. Platformly offers a range of email templates, but you can also create your own using the Email Builder. While the Email Builder is functional, it's best suited for simple, plain text emails. If you prefer more visually appealing emails, you might want to use an external tool. You can personalize your emails using tokens, which pull in data from your contact records. Set up your sender profile, which can be customized for each project. This ensures that your emails are sent from the appropriate domain and address. Once your email is ready, you can send it as a broadcast or include it in an automation workflow. Automation is where Platformly truly shines. Click on the Automations tab to create and manage your automation workflows. You have two options: Simple Automation and Visual Automation. Simple Automation is straightforward, if this, then that workflows, while Visual Automation allows for more complex logic and branching. To create a simple automation, click on Create Simple Automation. You can choose from various triggers, such as contact segments, tags, or form submissions. Then, define the actions to take, such as sending an email or updating a contact record. For more complex workflows, use the Visual Automation Builder. This drag-and-drop interface lets you create intricate automations with conditions, loops, and actions. Let's move on to opt-ins and landing pages. Platformly includes tools for creating opt-in forms and landing pages, though they are still a work in progress. Reporting is another critical feature of Platformly. Click on the Reports tab to access various reports, including email performance, sales data, and activity logs. If you've integrated your payment processor, you'll see detailed sales reports, helping you track revenue and customer behavior. Email reports provide insights into open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribes, enabling you to refine your email marketing strategies. Now, let's look at the settings and integrations. Click on the Setup tab to access various settings. Here, you can create additional projects, sender profiles, and mailers. Mailers allow you to use third-party email services like SendGrid or AWS SES. This flexibility ensures that you can choose the best email delivery method for your business. You can also add custom domains for tracking links and landing pages. This improves deliverability and branding. The Integrations tab lets you connect Platformly with other tools and services. Popular integrations include Zapier, which allows you to automate workflows between Platformly and hundreds of other apps. Other integrations include LeadBridge, Integromat, and various webhooks. Now let's talk about Platformly's pricing model. Platformly's pricing model is very customizable, which is a significant advantage for businesses of all sizes. You can start with a small contact base and add features as you need them. This flexibility allows you to tailor the platform to your specific requirements without paying for features you don't use. You can choose from various features including integrations, dashboards, emails, sales reports, payment gateways, and more. This pricing model ensures that you only pay for what you need, making it a cost-effective solution. You can start with a small number of contacts and scale up as your business grows. This is ideal for businesses that are just starting out or those that have a smaller customer base but plan to expand. This customizable pricing model ensures that you can build a plan that fits your budget and business requirements. If you need more features or capacity as your business grows, you can easily add them to your plan. Platformly's approach to pricing is designed to be flexible and scalable, making it an excellent choice for businesses that want to control their costs while still having access to powerful marketing automation tools. To wrap up, Platformly is a versatile and powerful marketing automation tool that can help you streamline your marketing efforts and improve your business's performance. From managing contacts and sending emails to creating complex automation workflows and integrating with other tools, Platformly has you covered. Platformly offers extensive documentation and a knowledge base to help you get the most out of the platform. If you need additional assistance, you can reach out to their support team. They offer support through email and live chat, ensuring you get the help you need promptly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other tools you'd like us to review. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Platformly for free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.